In the bustling world of modern business, efficient organization and meticulous data management are not just buzzwords. They are fundamental pillars of success. As a finance management expert, I consistently preach the importance of clear, accessible, and reliable data for everything from budgeting and forecasting to expense tracking and performance analysis. This drive for organized information often leads businesses to explore various software solutions, and ClickUp, a widely popular productivity and project management tool, frequently enters the conversation. But a crucial question often arises. Is ClickUp a database? To answer this effectively, especially for those new to these concepts, let's break down what a database fundamentally is, and then examine how ClickUp aligns with or deviates from that definition. At its core, a database is a structured collection of information, or data, organized in such a way that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it like a highly organized digital filing cabinet, but one where the files are interconnected and searchable with incredible speed and precision. Traditional databases, like those built using SQL, structured query language, or even simpler spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel for smaller scale use, are designed for storing vast amounts of structured data, enabling complex queries, relationships between different pieces of information, and robust data integrity. Key characteristics of a true database include structured storage. Data is stored in tables with defined rows and columns, and each column has a specific data type, e.g., text, numbers, dates. Relationships. Data across different tables can be linked together, e.g., a customer table linked to an orders table. Querying capabilities. The ability to ask specific questions of the data and retrieve precise results. Data integrity. Mechanisms to ensure the accuracy and consistency of the data, e.g., preventing duplicate entries, enforcing rules. Scalability. The ability to handle growing amounts of data and users without significant performance degradation. Now let's turn our attention to ClickUp. ClickUp is primarily designed as a project management and productivity platform. Its strength lies in helping teams organize tasks, manage projects, track progress, and facilitate collaboration. It offers a wide array of features, including tasks and subtasks, breaking down work into manageable units, lists, folders, and spaces, hierarchical organization of projects, custom fields, adding specific pieces of information to tasks, e.g., budget allocated, client name, status, views, displaying tasks in different formats like list, board, calendar, Gantt, and table. Automation. Setting up rules to automate repetitive actions. Dashboards. Creating custom reports and overviews. When we consider these features through the lens of a database, ClickUp presents an interesting case. ClickUp's database-like features. Structured storage. To an extent, when you use Table View in ClickUp, you are essentially looking at your tasks and custom fields in a tabular format, very similar to a spreadsheet. Each task becomes a row, and each custom field becomes a column. This allows for a degree of structured data entry. Custom fields as data points. Custom fields allow you to define specific types of information that can be stored for each task. This is akin to defining columns in a database table. You can have text fields, number fields, date fields, drop-downs, and more, which helps in standardizing data input. Filtering and sorting. ClickUp offers powerful filtering and sorting capabilities. You can filter tasks based on custom field values, assignees, due dates, and more. This is very much like performing queries on a database to retrieve specific subsets of information. Relationships. Limited. While ClickUp doesn't have the robust relational database capabilities of a dedicated system, you can link tasks, and even link tasks to external URLs or documents. This creates a rudimentary form of data connection. Views as data presentations. The different views, list, board, table, etc., are essentially different ways to present the underlying data. A finance manager might find the table view particularly useful for financial tracking, as it closely resembles a traditional ledger or spreadsheet.